Hello and welcome to this video, which is the next in the series, which is designed to show how easy it is to tile your artwork in the free program GIMP. My name's Claire, and the stage we're at here is that the tile is created, and I've also removed blemishes using the healing tool and the clone tool. Both of those videos are or should be in a link in the description below this video. Today's topic is how to adjust the levels from within GIMP of colour and balance in the image. It's actually a lot easier than you might think, and there's no need to, as I used to do, export the image out into another program to do it. It can all be done from within the GIMP. So here we have the tile in question. And it's quite nice already. But I'm feeling that maybe these yellows could do with a bit more punch, and maybe some of the greens, maybe even a bit of the background. And the way to do that is up here in the colours menu. And colours, you can do it through levels. One of the easiest ways to get a quick change in levels though is this one here, curves. Clicking on curves. At the moment, this curves panel has a straight line, and basically what you do is just play around with it until the colours in the image are exactly as you'd like. You can move sliders, but I like moving this line because it's actually easier. Now that makes it too light. It lightens the background nicely. I'll sometimes receive wisdom is that an S shape tends to do good things. And I must say that's quite dramatic. I'm liking the way the orange is coming out here, because for what it's worth, the original flowers had more oranginess here. But this is a bit too pale in the background, so I'm going to be moving this back. And now you see it's pretty close to the original, but we have some more orangey bits in this, which I really like. So I'm going to keep the orange and that slightly boosted background. I'm going to press OK. And that is a curves adjustment done in GIMP to our tile. That's the end of this video, but in the next one, I'll be showing how to save this pattern as a pattern within GIMP. So again, there'll be no need to export it anywhere to test it. You can do it all within GIMP. Thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully see you next time. Take care.